Gavanas mawakeni mapachoka dhi mbele kod limbe kaunti ma Machakos e or sumruok pare weche mag telo kod dongruok. Kotelnegi kod gavana ma Machakos Wavinya Ndeti, jotelogo limo chenro mopogore mag dongruok matimore e kaunti no ka gisingo tiyo kanyakla mar dongo kauntis magitele. Giwacho ni maeri en achiel kuom yore mag neno ni jotelo mamine omedo mbii magi mag telo ka gichwalo chenro makare mag dongruok ne jopiny. Gavanas go oting'o Gladys Wanga ma Homa Bay, Cecily Mbarire ma Embu, Susan Kihika ma Nakuru, Fatma Achani ma Kwale kod Anne Waiguru ma Kirinyaga.
Kuja hapa leo kuona kazi ambayo Gavana Machakos anafanya, kwa sababu sisi kama kina mama wa magavana kina mama tunataka kushirikiana ndio tusaidiane tutoke hapa. Tuko G7, yani gavana 7 wa kina mama, tuende 24. Mtashikilia Gavana Wavinya Ndeti.
Mama peke yake ndiye anaweza fikiria pia mambo ya gender based violence. Kwa hivyo Wavinya, mama Wavinya, wewe ni 10 straight. Wangapi wanasema 10 straight ya Wavinya Ndeti? Wale wengine wangoje wakuje 2032 kama Wavinya bado anapanda juu.
Even as I stand here in my county Nakuru, last week I had 3 women killed in a certain vicinity. So gender based violence is real. So asante for the work you're doing, and may God continue to give you strength to work for the people of Machakos.
Amen. We would want to work with all of you, all of us, so that we can take care of our people. We know our problems, we know what they are. And if we can work together to make the lives of our people better, even bring them here, do counseling, and make them even go back at home and live together in peace, and so be it.